Hey guys, welcome back to Lila's Tools. It's been a bit, but we've got a huge haul. This is my holiday Christmas haul. I don't know what to say. A lot of goodies here. Let's just get right into it. We'll go over this stuff right down here in the corner. You can't really see. This is a Noga deburring tool with its bits for going into pipe or holes like this. Deburring works great. A couple of little sockets, some gear wrench, 1/4 inch 15 millimeters. For electrical tools, we got a Klein Multimeter MM320. It's beautiful, works nice, and it's got a little stand, which is great. Here we have Klein's outlet, GFIC outlet tester with the LCD screen. Very nice, works great. And here we have the Klein, the NCVT3P, non-contact voltage tester. Also has a flashlight, which is nice. And this will test your higher voltages as well as your low voltages, all the way down to 12 volts. So it's good for you guys that are doing alarms and whatnot. This is wild. Here we got some SDS bits, some Bosch Chisel. Interesting, it's this one marked on, made in Spain. So there's that guy. This one I took the top off. This is where's this? 1/4 inch Bosch, German-made one. Here we have a big Milwaukee 1.1". Also made in Germany. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with these now that I have an SDS hammer, but these are just standard hammer drill bits, 5/8 and 3/4 Milwaukee. Might use these for some hammer drill testing that we do in the future. Oh, doesn't end. Here we've got a Wera. I can't think exactly what they call this, but this has got the, it's the 818, I think. You press the top, opens, you got your carousel of bits, nice selection, close her up, and you press here, that comes out, it's got locking bits, and you can take this right out and throw it in your impact or whatever you need to do. So, there's that guy, works great, and it's got a spinning collar if you need precision, go like this. And it's a nice little case. The Wera, it's not the Take It Easy, it's their other system, but Velcro, and you can put this, on whatever. So there's that guy. Okay, now into some big ticket items. We'll go over on the right side of the screen here that you can't quite see. We got some Ryobi stuff, 18 volts 1+. These are some 2 amp batteries. There's 2 of them. And just yesterday, New Year's sale, picked up this guy, big Ryobi 9 amp hour. Got this for like $60, $63 or something like that. Can't beat it. Don't have any tools or chargers yet, but that'll be coming shortly. Here, the beast itself, the DCG418. 60 volt flex volt DeWALT brushless angle grinder, 4.5 to 6 inch. Let you have a listen. Very comfortable in the hand, easy trigger. Got in a kit, big 9 amp hour flex volt. That's 3 amp hours, 60 volts, 9 at 20 or 18, and Also, we'll go over it in a sec. Also got some 6-inch cutting discs. Unless you're just trying to run through your discs, there's no reason to run this with 4.5. It's got the power for 6, so might as well do it. Diablo 6-inch cutting disc, DeWALT 6-inch grinding disc, and some of their DeWALT XP ceramic grinding discs. So there's those guys. We'll say the Milwaukee for last, because the ketchup family always wants to see that, and I'll make them wait. Look at this beauty. Doesn't quite look right. This is the only Makita batteries I have currently. We'll be getting some bigger guys for this. This is the DHR263. This is an 18 volt times 2, 36 volt brushed rotary hammer drill. You've got your drill function, hammer drill, and a chipping function, and your function here so you could spin your chuck around to get your chisel where you want it. Flexible handle, you can put it wherever you like. You've got the hole here for the depth gauge. Didn't come with that for me. Look at that, you have a listen to her. Absolute beast. Got that in a super deal, $100. Cannot beat it. Here's another tool, Milwaukee M12. This is the 2488-20, at least in North America. This is the M12 soldering iron. Turn it on like that. Once this goes solid, you know it's ready to go. Got your battery gauge there. And this will tell you if it's still hot. It's not hot, but yeah, it takes about 20 seconds to heat up, is what they say. Haven't used it for any electrical jobs yet, but I will. Also, LED light in the front. So there's that guy. And here, another beauty I've wanted for a very long time. This is the M18 Fuel Milwaukee router. 2723. Yeah, 2723-20. Got this bare tool. This was a Christmas present from my grandma. It's awesome. Got a Diablo 1/4 inch roundover bit in there. Yeah, it works great. It's not heavy, but it's not light, and that's okay because you're going to be using this on your flat surfaces. Also come with your edge guide and whatnot, and your dust port here. And yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so a few more things that are out of shot. Picked up a Makita 18 volts rapid charger finally. Got this for about $50. Can't beat it. So here's that guy. Also, finally picked up a Milwaukee rapid charger. That I paid retail for $100. There's that guy. And with the DeWALT setup, it came with a rapid charger 6 amp fast charger as well. So there's all those guys. Here's a Christmas gift from my mom. This is a Noga Genius 5. This is a 12 or 6 volt battery charger and repair. I love the Noga products. They're well built, they're quality, and they do the job. So there's that guy. And honestly, guys, that's about it. I crammed a lot into a quick video, but yeah, if you want to see any more in-depth on anything here, if you want to see me test anything, whatnot, let me know in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Happy New Year to you all. Let's make this a great year, just in general for humanity, and for here on YouTube. Let's grow this community more and whatnot. And yeah, with that said, guys, thanks for watching again. Take it easy.